The Xiaomi 17 Ultra arrives in a premium, minimalist box that sets the tone for a high-end experience. Inside, the presentation is clean. You're immediately greeted by the device itself, followed by a high-quality protective case, a USB-C charging cable, and Xiaomi's signature high-wattage power brick. The unboxing experience feels tactile and intentional, reinforcing the Ultra branding. Holding the Xiaomi 17 Ultra, the first thing you notice is the massive circular camera island on the back, a design choice that screams camera first. The build quality is exceptional, featuring a vegan leather back that provides a comfortable grip and a premium feel, contrasted against a sturdy metal frame. The curved edges of the display blend seamlessly into the chassis, making the large footprint of the phone feel surprisingly ergonomic. The front of the device is dominated by a stunning LTPO AMOLED panel. It's incredibly bright, even under direct light, and the 120Hz refresh rate makes every animation feel fluid. The colors are vibrant yet accurate, which is crucial for a device aimed at photographers and content creators. This is where the Xiaomi 17 Ultra truly stands out. The quad-camera setup, developed in partnership with Leica, covers everything from ultra-wide to long-range periscope zoom. The main sensor delivers incredible natural bokeh and depth, color science. You can choose between Leica Authentic for a classic look or Leica Vibrant for punchier social media-ready shots. Low light. The sensor size allows for impressive light intake, keeping noise to a minimum in dark environments. The zoom capabilities are a highlight. At 5x and 10x, the detail remains sharp with very little digital artifacting. During the video test, the stabilization is rock solid, handling walking motions with ease. The transition between lenses while recording is smoother than previous generations, making it a viable tool for mobile videography. The Xiaomi 17 Ultra is just a smartphone. It's a professional-grade camera that happens to make phone calls. While the large camera bump might be polarizing for some, the sheer performance and photographic versatility it offers are unmatched. If you are a mobile photography enthusiast, this device is currently the one to beat. Under the hood, the device is powered by the latest flagship processor. Apps open instantly, and even during heavy camera use, there is no noticeable thermal throttling or lag. The software interface is clean, with specific optimizations for the camera hardware that allow for professional-grade manual controls. The Xiaomi 17 Ultra isn't just a smartphone. It's a statement piece for photography enthusiasts. While its size might be a hurdle for some, the sheer power of its camera system and the quality of its display make it one of the most compelling flagships of the year.